New Audi A4 Avant and A5 Sportback G-Tron models launched in Europe. Audi has finally expanded its G-Tron family with the introduction of the A4 Avant and A5 Sportback. Previewed during the 2017 Geneva Motor Show, both cars can run on either gasoline, compressed natural gas, CNG, or the brand's climate-friendly fuel, the e-gas. Powering them is a 2.0-liter TFSI engine, which builds upon the regular petrol burner, and delivers 170 PS, 168 horsepower, and 270 Nm, 199 pounds-to-foot, of torque. When married to a 6-speed manual gearbox, the A4 and A5 G-Tron need 8.5 seconds to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour. Top speed is 226 km per hour, 140 miles per hour, in the former, and 223 km per hour, 139 miles per hour, in the latter. The Ingolstadt automaker says that both versions of the Audi A4 Avant and A5 Sportback have a total driving range of up to 950 km, 590 miles, out of which 500 km, 311 miles, can be covered exclusively in the CNG mode. Moreover, once the pressure in the tank falls below 10 bar, the engine management system automatically switches to gasoline operation. The tanks, which are made from CFRP and GFRP, are located beneath the rearward structure, and they can store 19 kilograms, 41.9 pounds, of gas at a pressure of 200 bar. The luggage capacity has dropped in both models, but still sits at a respectable 415 liters, 14.7 ca-foot, in the A4 Avant G-Tron, and 390 liters, 13.8 ca-foot, in the A5 Sportback G-Tron. Audi has already opened the order books for the two cars, asking at least €40,300, $47,289, for the A4, and €40,800, $47,876, for the A5, in Germany, with other markets to follow. The brand's G-Tron technology will be presented at the 2017 Frankfurt Motor Show, next month.